They said someone would come back. I'll wait.
Each morning, Aru went outside and looked at the ground. Old paw prints. Washed.
I can't fly anymore.
I can't stop waiting. Maybe we wait together.
Think I can fly again.
So you're leaving too?
I'm not leaving you. I'm gonna find you help. It's okay. I'm here.
I heard a little tiger saved a bird. You don't have to wait alone anymore.